hoping to finish hooking this up today, but weather's had a different thought. This is crazy. April 7th. Still winter here. Okay, it's been a while. The snow is gone a while ago. I finished clearing off all the extra logs, and my guy has dropped off his equipment, so he's gonna start clearing this off and then bringing in all the fill. So far we have 3 loads of gravel brought in. This is all being laid down over all natural sand here. Where the garage will be built, you can see there's a bit of a haunch here between where the walls and the foundations, and it builds up on a 5-to-1 slope. There'll be 10 inches of concrete here and about 5 inches across. This whole area filled in as well. This is all built up now, just to kind of reclaim some of this useless land that was here. So when the garage is done, there'll be storage behind it and beside it over here as well. So I'm just finishing up reinforcing the forms. A couple more here and a few more on the far side. Then I'll be digging some trenches to bury these sewage lines for the toilet, shower, and also putting in a drain in the middle of the garage. Then insulation, and I have the rebar and mesh on order, so it arrives next week. I used a laser level initially to get the right heights for all 4 corners. Then I just run lines an inch above each corner, going corner to corner, to make sure that the form stays straight and the right height. So I had my first inspection of the underground plumbing, which is basically just this one, which is going to hook up to my septic system. Filled it with water yesterday and it hasn't lost any. So Wednesday morning, and it's insulation day for the pad. I ran the numbers and it was cheaper to have them come out and spray foam below my foundation than it was to buy rigid foam and spend the time to tape it all together. On my rebar and mesh grid on top here, and of course we get hit by a heavy thunderstorm, tornado warnings. Rebar and mesh is all in place. I booked an inspection. It's Friday right now. The earliest inspection I get is next Thursday, so almost a week. So I have a big tarp. I'm going to cover the spray foam because I don't want it sitting in sunlight for longer than it needs to be. First cement truck. First truck is done, second truck's here. Whirly bird time. There is the final pad, ready to go. Lumber's on order, be here in a week. I have
a guy who's going to do the framing for me. He's going to start, actually I'm away for 3 weeks, so when I get back this is going to be drastically different looking.